Hi boys and girls, welcome to the second part of math. We're going to do some subitizing together, okay? So I'm going to hold up some paper plates which have a group of dots on them, and you're going to try to say them as fast as you can, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. 2, that's right. 4, very good. That's 1. 3, very good. That's 7, good job. 10, that's a tricky one. How many is that? 8, very good. That's 4, very good. How many is that? 9, very good. 3, all right, a few more. There's 7. There's 4, very good. That's 9. And that's 8. All right, boys and girls, thank you for subitizing with me.